I'm not married, and my ex won't let me see her kids. What can I do?
That's actually a lot more common than you'd think, depending on where you live. So if you're not married and your ex won't let you see your kids, the scenario we see is it's usually a man that says, I never married mom, and mom doesn't like me anymore and won't let me see the kids. What should I do? So depending on the state you live, the laws are going to vary. But in Minnesota, for example, usually the fathers have very little to no rights in the beginning. And what they need to do is they need to establish custody and parenting time, and that's usually done through the court system. They also need to establish that they're the actual father. And there's a lot of ways to do that. So what I'd highly recommend is if I'm especially a father that's never been married and mom doesn't want to let me see my kids, talk to an experienced attorney, find out what your rights are. And what happens is once you get the court system to actually give you a court order, you're going to have all these rights. And at least if the system works properly, you're going to have a whole court system actually protecting the father, and the system's going to protect the father to be a father to their children. So use the system to your advantage. It's not always anti-dad. There's a way to do that. But this is where a really highly experienced attorney comes in, where they're worth their weight in gold. Talk to an experienced attorney and find out your rights.